Hi, I'm Jeannie, and this is the Get Geometric Layered Bar Mitzvah invitation from Carlson Craft. This attractive invitation is digitally printed in your choice of 2 ink colors on white shimmer cardstock that is layered over claret colored stock. It features a geometric pattern to surround your wording details. Other paper color options are available, so contact us for those details. This invitation measures 7 1/4 inches wide by 5 1/8 inches high. The coordinating reception and response enclosures will print on matching single cardstock, and the thank you notes will print on folder stock. This invitation comes with single bright white envelopes. We show it here with an optional return address on the back flap. You may purchase this invitation from invitationsforless.com. To prepare this invitation for final assembly, have your invitation card, the backer card, and your supplied sheet of glue dots face up in front of you. Pick up your sheet of glue dots and press 1 glue dot down into each one of the 4 corners on the backer. Then pick up the invitation card and carefully position it so it's nice and centered on the backer. Press it down and you're ready to move on.